In recent years, the technology has evolved. It's easier than ever for someone to be monitored using sneaky ways. On the other side of the river, there are many devices that are made to detect the presence of bugs that rely on radio frequency transmission. Anyways, today I will unbox and review the K18 RF and GS Bug and Camera Detector. This is a Chinese product that comes in a premium package for about 30 European bucks on places like eBay. Inside the box you will find a Chinese and English manual, the actual device with an antenna, and below there's a GS probe with a universal charger, but that only comes with a US plug. The battery is charging fast and supposedly lasts for up to 8 hours detecting radio frequencies. So the device works by cranking up the potentiometer to turn it on and set the sensitivity. The right button turns on the red LEDs on the backside to try to find hidden camera lenses by looking through the filter. Long pressing it makes the LEDs blink at variable frequencies. The problem is that in a populated room, many different objects appear to cause similar reflections, and some camera lenses did not reflect at all. Long pressing the left button changes the detection mode from radio frequency to GS, which from what I can understand works by detecting invisible light radiation, such as UV or IR, but I couldn't find any more info about it. The detection range is from 1 MHz to 8 GHz, and it works very accurate for detecting things like an active DECT phone connection. For higher frequency detection, such as GPS and Wi-Fi, the things can get a little more complicated, as the approximation's accuracy of the transmission source is debatable. High-powered transmissions like a microwave oven triggers this thing all over the place, but tweaking the sensitivity can get you to a certain place. This oven is actually terrifying. There is also no way to find things like low-power voice and video recorders or detect low-frequency EMF. From those I've used, this device is probably the best among similar Chinese gadgets, although in my opinion it's only worth 1/3 of its price. So, you should get this if you want to. Pretend to be an agent, check your Wi-Fi signal, find microwave oven leaks, and hopefully find a GPS bug in your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.